Marvin, and everyone. My name is Rich Jeremiah Espartidas, and my topic today is human biocultural and social evolution. Human biocultural evolution, social evolution, the development of human person did not occur overnight. It took thousands of years for the human species to develop the skills, characteristics, culture, and society that we have at present are products of countless years of evolutionary development. If we look back at development, we would realize that each portion of our personhood has been subjected to different societal, and environmental pressures. Throughout our biological past, environmental forces have caused our ancestor to develop new means to survive, eventually leading to the acquisition of human characteristics such as bipedalism and brain development. Human biocultural and social evolution, ari nato ma-learn kung asa tagikan o giunsa nato pag-survive. And also, giunsa nato pag-develop as human being. And sa lesson 1, biological evolution of man. Dito na ako siya basa. During this primitive time, survival requires effort. Early humans compete with different wildlife. Food could only be accessed through using definitive skills set for survival. And fire was not exactly easily available. In addition, early humans themselves were only limited by their survival skills. And sa lesson 1, sa biological evolution of men, kung atong una nabuhi ta 2 million years ago, katong panahon na wala pa kayo na develop atong brain. Siyempre, 2 million ago. Ano? And iyahay patag pangitag way para mabuhi. And dili dali ang paghimo og kalayo, siyempre dali mo kalayo nga mga kwan man tato. Tapos katopong mga panahon na sa early humans is dili pud tanan makasurvive kay lagi nagakompete pa sila towards each other para sa ilang survival. And evolution, the process of developing physical and biological change in a species over a period of time. Modern humans belong to the genus Homo, are considered by products of events and processes that occurred in the past. Evolution, mauni siya ang process sa atong pagbago, physically o biologically, during sa early humans. Some sa ila is maka-adapt og changes, but ang uban is dili kay limited ra ilang existence or dili sila magdugay sa world. Ang human evolution is dili siya makita every details sa pagbago or yung sa pagbago sa tao. Kay according sa mga scientists, ang pagbago daw sa mga tao is like a branch of tree wherein each branch extends into smaller, more specific stem. That means while naga-evolve ang tao, mas nagka-develop even sa pinakagamay nga part sa lawas. And it stated also here na among all stems, isa ra ka evolution ang na-adapt o na-develop, and that is the current human being. Theory of evolution. The most well-known theory on human biological development of Charles Darwin proposed that the current human race spurred from a line of primates that evolved through survival of the fittest. The theory of evolution mauni ang well-known theory human biological development ni Charles Darwin. Based sa theory, during daw sa panahon sa mga unggoy, nabuo ang ginatawag nila survival of the fittest. Remember na, survival of the fittest. Survival of the fittest, wherein primitive species compete among each other for survival.
The transition of early to modern humans. The biological transition of humans from its earliest state to its current physical and biological makeup took millions of years to complete. Despite this, scientists should, through the help of archaeology evidence and modern technology, were able to identify and distinguish distinct transitional stages of human evolution. These stages are described below. Transition from early to modern humans. Transition stage Homo habilis handyman. Period of existence 2.5 to 1.4 million years ago. Developed by bipedalism or the ability to walk upright. Brain size was estimated to be 35% larger than the Australopithecus africanus. Had smaller teeth compared to Australopithecine. Diet include a variety of plants and meat. The Homo habilis was one of the earliest species of the genus Homo. It had more distinct human features than the Australopithecines. An earlier classifications of hominins, despite significant human features, the Homo habilis still bore ape-like features. It was given the nickname handyman upon the discovery in 1960 because it was believed to be one of the first users of stone tools. Transition stage Homo erectus upright man. Period of existence 1.9 million years ago, further enhanced bipedal activities, characterized by strong muscles at the back of the neck, shallow forehead, and elongated brain case. Diet include an increased consumption of meat. The Homo erectus was believed to have lived in Africa and parts of Europe or Asia, while the Homo habilis was already able to stand on 2 feet by bipedalisms. The full development of the activity peaked through the Homo erectus, thus gaining the nickname the upright man. The Homo erectus is credited as the species that learned how to control fire. Fossil remains of the species found in Africa, Southeast Asia, South Asia, and Europe suggest that the Homo erectus became extinct some 200,000 years ago. Transition stage Homo sapiens wise man. Period of existence 400,000 years ago to present distinct features. Average brain capacity of 82 cubic inches, characterized by high forehead, small teeth and jaw, and defined chin. Constructed and used tools for survival, developed a symbolic communication system. The Homo sapiens is the species where all percent human being belongs. The name was coined from Carlos Linnaeus' extensive studies on taxonomy. Based on Linnaeus' studies on fossils presumed to be of the Homo sapiens, the species' physical developments were closer to the biological characteristics of current humans than of apes. As such, it was given the nickname the wise man by anthropologists.
Of artifactual evidence in understanding evolution. Artifactual evidence is the only source of knowledge in understanding the lifestyle and the developments that occurred in each transitional stage of human evolution. Ang tanging pagkukunan ng kaalaman sa pag-unawa sa pamumuhay at mga pag-unlad na nagaganap sa bawat transitional na yugto ng evolusyon ng tao. The significance of artifactual evidence in understanding evolution. Artifactual evidence is the only source of knowledge in understanding the lifestyle and the developments that occurred in each transitional stage of human evolution. Ang tanging pagkukunan ng kaalaman sa pag-unawa sa pamumuhay at mga pag-unlad na nagaganap sa bawat transitional na yugto ng evolusyon ng tao. Fossils, where early human species were discovered that are remains hardened in rock. Where all early human species were discovered that are remains hardened in rock. Artifactual evidence that can also include tools that used for hunting, gathering, or symbolic writing found in caves. Example, antelope leg bone with cut marks was recently discovered in Africa. Cave discovered in South Africa. Kung saan natuklasan ng mga unang uri ng tao na nananatiling tumigas sa bato. Ang artifactual na ebidensya ay maaari ding magsama ng mga kasangkapan na ginagamit para sa pangangaso at pangangalap o simbolikong pagsulat na pagtatagpuan sa mga peba. Existence of genus Homo australopithecines first emerged. They are the early member of human evolutionary transition, appreciating the past through the present. It is important for modern humans to learn about their origins and developments nowadays. Technology advances have made delving into the past more accessible. The great biological evolution that the human species has been through was complex and developmental.
Is history maker of Charles Darwin. He was born in 1809 and died 1982. Was an English biologist, naturalist, and geologist, best known for his extensive contribution to the study of evolution. His theory of evolution that focused on natural selection became the foundation of modern evolutionary studies. Darwin's theory of evolution was developed after his voyage in 1809, but he publicly repeated his findings in 1809. His book on origin of species. His writings are still popular at present, especially among Western researchers and academicians. While Darwin became a prominent figure in the field of anthropology and biological sciences, his theory is without criticism. Some scientists after his time cited Darwin's work as invalid and continued to provide alternative theories regarding human evolution.